day, everyone. Ali's here from SOXX Financial Network. Today is January 31st, 2023. Here is S&P chart daily analysis, and today is last trading session for months of January. January month was pretty bullish for the market in overall, especially second half of January. If you go to the monthly chart, so here's the monthly chart for the January, and we are getting close to this pivotal point, or kind of like important area based on the monthly chart, which is 4,111 to 4,199, which is very important. So this is a nice bullish consolidation. So last trading session for the month of January was bullish as well. So you will see S&P 500, it's been up just 45 points to the upside, 1.80% gain, which is pretty good. Volume was pretty light just because tomorrow, by the way, volume was 56 million so far. Tomorrow we will have a Federal Reserve FOMC meeting, and they're gonna make a decision about the interest rate for the months of January, February. Everyone is betting on 25 basis like an uptick for the rate, but verbiage is very important. So if Federal Reserve is coming back and say probably in press conference they're gonna say, probably this is just a bearish scenario. If Jay Powell said probably we are going to increase the rate as we are moving forward to just slow down the economy, we are not in the process of pausing or even pivoting, and still economy is hot, job market is hot, market is pretty resilient to the inflation, and we want to suppress the job market. So that's going to be very bearish verbiage for the market. But if Jay Powell is saying probably we were successful to slow down the economy enough, and we are just pausing the rate to see what we are doing or how we are moving forward, and that's going to be like kind of a relaxing tone, and market will interpret it as a like a kind of like a dovish or end of the rate hike, and that would be probably a bullish sign for the market. Market right now is pretty bullish. Like, look at that. So especially right now, we are just at 1 minute to the closing bell. Market just going all the way up to kind of like getting close to this 4011, and tomorrow again would be very important. So I will get to this chart earlier. I wanted to get to this chart earlier, but this is just the middle of the week, so probably we will cover this in monthly report as well, and which is coming by end of this week. All right, so going back to the daily chart, here's the daily chart. We are getting back to the upside. We are closing above yesterday even high, and this is pretty bullish sign. So again, we are getting close to this area. This area is very important. Market is kind of ready for any direction. So this is going to be the last tranche for the bears and bulls. If you want to be bullish and betting on the market, probably stop loss would be here, and you can just go with long position. Conservative stop loss would be here below this low if we get back below this trend line. So we will get back to the lower low, which I think it's going to happen. I'm not sure if it's going to happen tomorrow, probably by end of this week. As you know, we have got lots of earnings for big techies. Still, they're going to announce their earnings February 2nd. NFP, which is non-farm payroll for months of January, is coming this Friday, and we will see how it goes, but we will have lots of news coming, and still we are at Tuesday. Volume was pretty light and nothing actually has happened yet, but this is gonna be like a silence before the storm, and we will see how it goes. But if market take out this pivotal point, which is going to be kind of along with this pivotal point, it's going to be very bullish sign, and probably go all the way up to the August high. So just take it as one this one as well. So probably we will see another like a bullish spike to the upside if we take out this pivotal point and if everything is getting ready for the bullish tone for the market. 100% market will take it as like granted and going to the upside. But if again, if a verbiage is not that good or NFP numbers are pretty hot. Like just imagine if we have like a very hot numbers and Jay Powell is signaling we are referring to the NFP, and if NFP is hot, probably we will increase more rates. Market will be in pause after Wednesday session. Everyone is keep an eye on Friday, and Friday job market is coming hot, and this is kind of like a scenario, and everything is getting back to the bear side. So again, lots of news are coming. Just sit tight and don't get to the position if you feel uncomfortable. Don't get into the position. So just to be relaxed, sitting on the side, and let's all the dust settled, and then there are lots of opportunities. Always there are lots of opportunities. However, I'm just referring back to my forecast. My forecast is telling me still we are looking for February, March, very volatile, probably to the downside for the 2023 low, and that low would be buying opportunity. So again, I'm just waiting for that one. I'm not looking for this to get long or short. I'm looking for a February, March low, or even April. So this period, which is coming in next 3 months, very important. Just because low would be, I believe it's going to be 2023 low. Okay, going to the intraday action. Here's the early chart. I believe this is the top. To be honest, this is the top. Based on this is a very nice hidden divergence, a negative hidden divergence. Probably it gets to 78%. Let's see. Yeah, so it's getting like just a close above 78%, but coming back down. If it get below this, and if it get below this candle, probably the top is there. So we will see another downside move to this area to 4,025 to 4,000 even 20. Then after that, I believe Federal Reserve will make a decision which direction market want to go. So we'll see how it goes, but nothing pretty much happened. Market had a very nice downside, and taking out this pivotal point, coming down to this wide range bar. I was waiting for here to this area, but it didn't come here. So probably this is a sharp move to the upside. If it doesn't have enough momentum to take out this high, probably it will come back and roll over to the lower low, and we will see. We'll see how it goes. We are not forecasting. We are just waiting for the market to see which direction we should follow. And here's the trend, and nicely we are just getting back up to the trend. So right now this is a dominant trend line, the short-term dominant trend line for the market, and if we take out this pivotal high, so that's going to be a bullish case for the market. All right, so let's move on to some sectors. Here is the VIX. VIX has a downtick today, so 2% 71, 2.71% down for the VIX, and just sitting at a 1943, still in this area. Very kind of, I would say, important support area, 18 to 19 area. So everything is getting ready for another spike for the VIX, and at the same time, dollar is in a good spot. So if my chart just frozen here, sorry. So again, dollar was pretty flat today, just lost the 0.18 unit to the downside, 0.18%. So dollar is sitting at 102.06, and I'm in that camp that dollar will have like a probably next 2-3 weeks. Dollar will start another upside move. It's not gonna go to all-time high or even double top. I don't think so. but probably 108 to 110. So that's going to be pretty available target. The first target that that is going to be very possible is 105 to 106. So that's the possibility if we take out this high. So probably ABC zigzag up, just a corrective rally, and probably after months of May, April, we will see another downside move for dollar. But for now, I'm looking for upside move for the dollar, which is going to impact the precious metals, stock market, and all the commodities. Apple today. So Apple just uptick, $1.29 gain, 144.29. Apple is in my watch list, but it is expensive for now for me, and I'm just waiting for a downside to this area as you follow my levels. So here are my levels for the downside. If we take out this pivotal point, probably Apple is coming all the way down to here. Amazon, pretty good day. Amazon just 2.59% up, $2.60 gain. Amazon is just holding up pretty well. This is the pivotal point, and this is a wide range bar which engulfed that before. So Amazon is forming probably, I would say, a bottoming formation, especially after this. So any downside move probably to 91. I would say the 63 to 70, which is kind of like extraordinary. I'm not sure if price is getting there, but if it gets there, that's going to be 100% buying opportunity. My first buying opportunity is 91. Again, I'm not shorting the market. I'm just looking for buying possibilities. So 2023 is going to be bullish year. I'm not going to short, especially after this corrective move for big giant techie stocks. And I'm looking for buying opportunity. Meta, 1.30% up, so $1.92 gain for Facebook or Meta. Pretty good day. So nothing has been changed for my analysis. I'm just looking for a pullback to get all in for the Meta. Microsoft, 2.13% up, and nothing has been changed. Microsoft is just doing very choppy and sloppy in this area, something around 220 to 240. Again, I'm looking for sub 200 for Microsoft to get all in. Stay on the side, just sit tight and stay tuned. So wait for that one. Google, 1.97% uptick. Google is consolidating in this area. Is it going to be breakout to the upside or just a consolidation fail to the downside? If the second scenario happen, you know the level 75 to 83, that's going to be massive buying opportunity. Netflix, this is a Tesla, sorry. Netflix just closed by 82 cents up today, still in this supply area. I'm not chasing the Netflix. You know my level 251 to 275. That's going to be amazing level for Netflix. By the way, I'm not going to buy this. This is just for a daily analysis perspective or purpose that I'm showing you this. I'm not going to buy Netflix. I'm not going to invest in this stock anymore. So the next one is Tesla. Tesla, a pretty good day today, just 3.94 cents, 137. 22, the last price that Tesla just before market closed. Post-market, Tesla went down. 172.59, just $1 went down. Again, Tesla, I'm just looking for kind of like a corrective move to the downside. I'm not sure even if we get there to the double bottom, but if we get there to 120 to 140, that's going to be good level for buy. Again, keep an eye on this. Lots of stocks are getting to resistance area along with indexes, so just it's not a good time to get in or get out. Just wait and see. Wait for the pattern, and when pattern forms, we will let you know. SMH, semiconductor index. So still above this neckline, nicely gained today, 1.52% up. But again, SMH, I'm just waiting for more downside to go. As you know, SOXX, Philadelphia Semiconductor Index, $7.45 3 cents. The same pattern. TSM, negative day today, just 40 cents down. TSM, I'm just looking for these two areas to buy. AMD, a pretty good day today for AMD, still below this trend line, but 3.73% up. AMD just closed at $75.15. Nice $2.70 gain today. So we take it that. NVDA $3.70 uptick today, 1.97% up. NVIDIA just closed at 195. NVIDIA is the best among the other ones, along with Texas Instrument. Marvelous move to the upside, 4-point gain, 2.36% up. Texas Instrument is kind of like a bullish. Any pullback, that's going to be buying opportunity. All right. So Lamb Research, the last one, just breaking above this channel. This is very, very important day for Lamb Research, just because this reverse head and shoulder breaking out to the upside, and this tells me something. Probably semiconductor is going to be the next leader for the next rally. Just keep an eye on this sector. If you don't have it, make sure position yourself. Semiconductor is going to be the next leader for the market. Okay, moving on to Nasdaq. Here's the Nasdaq daily chart. Market had uptick today, so market just closed above SMA 200 moving average again, nicely going up, but it didn't go above this high. So we will see like a series of a lower high here. Although today we had a positive price action again. After market, just the snap came up with the earning call, and that stock just slumped and tumbled 13%, 14% down. And this tells me something, because last year I remember Snap just came up with earning report, and then Facebook or Meta called after that the same kind of like earning, weak earning, and the market just went to series of lower highs and lower lows. So again, keep an eye on that one. The Federal Reserve meeting is going to be tomorrow again, so lots of volatility is coming down the road. Where are we at? So we are just up here seeing this high, but couldn't close above it, so we are coming back down. However, we didn't fail this rally yet. So if we fail this rally, that means we are just getting close below this 11,665, which is very, very important. So tomorrow's candle will be kind of like a decisive moment for the market, or kind of like a moment of the truth. So if we get down to this area, so that would be pretty ugly. Probably market, just any pullback would be selling opportunity. The first target that I have is just some around the 11,000, which is going to be bullish scenario. Kind of like a higher possibility would be somewhere around 10,000 to 10,600, which I'm inclining to. And the lower possibility, which was my previous target, but right now I'm not sure. Still, it is possibility, but very, very low possibility is going to be market just going all the way down, Nasdaq, to 9,300 to 9,700. So again, just keep an eye on that. We will go day by day, week by week, to see how things are going to get unfold. Moving on to the hourly chart. So hourly chart, this is just the future, and we are just getting close below this trend line. So this pattern is kind of like get ready to another sell-off probably to this area. Still, we would be in upper trend line, and we would be in kind of like a bullish case. However, we will get lower high, and this is going to be a weak pattern. So if we get something like this, so that's going to be a major formation, which we get just two highs, four lows. So not strong enough for the bullish momentum again. So we are not forecasting, we just see the pattern and see how it goes. Moving on to Dow Jones. So here is the Dow Jones chart. Dow Jones is forming kind of like a rectangular, triangle formation here, series of lower highs and higher lows. So as long as price is consolidating or ranging in this triangle, nothing is wrong. But when we see a breakout, either way, it's going to be massive breakout to the upside or downside. My case is breakout to the downside, but the upper level is kind of like a limited. So if we break out to the upside, probably we will go to this one or test this one. But I'm not sure even if we get there up there. It depends. It depends again to the verbiage of the Federal Reserve. But if we get breakout to the downside, probably the first stop would be 31,900, but below 31,000 and 30,000, that's going to be great buying opportunity. Going to 4 hours chart, here is the Dow Jones 4 hours chart, again the same thing. So we got nice rally to the upside, but last 4 hours we are just getting reversal to this supply area, middle of this white range bar. Again, if we get below this, that's gonna be all the way up to all the way down to here, like 32,800 to 33,000. Okay, I think I covered everything. If you like this video, please smash the like button, subscribe to our channel, and have a good one. See you on the chart. Bye bye.